Hi, my name's Heidi, and today I'm going to speak with you about text to image AI art image creators. So these are websites that you would go to create art, basically. So I have been using these for just about a year now and discovered many benefits and limitations of various websites. So today I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of those websites. Not all of them, just a few of them. The majority of them will be free or have free options for you, and you can decide for yourself which ones you like the best. I'm going to pick one query and use the same query, a very short query, across several different websites so you can see the kinds of images that they generate just by using a simple query, and the kinds of things you might get. And maybe this will spark your interest in creating AI art. I know there are a lot of controversies around AI art, which I won't get into. For my own use cases, I use AI generated art to create this background, for example. I use AI generated art for my LinkedIn posts. I use them for my presentations and any number of uses. And so these are ways that you could use AI generated art. I'm sure you've seen it all over social media now. It's been in the news, for better or for worse. It's not going anywhere. So let's jump right in and I'll show you various websites that have AI art generated. Okay, so the first website I'm going to show you is called Dream Studio. You can go to dreamstudio.ai to generate your images. And so this is a free tool. I think they give you some credits for it. So you can see my query is a steampunk tabby kitten princess. And this is the same query that I'm going to use across websites. You can see that it has generated 4 images, and I'm just going to click through them. So you can kind of see the detail. It looks more like a painting, drawing, has some nice background details. Looks like the kitten's paws have a little too many toes. Um, this looks a little bit more princessy than the last one. There's something funny going on with the toes, but still kind of cute. All right, this one is getting more into the frills, but still steampunk. So this is a pretty good image, and I like the way that's generated around here. So the background is still very nice. And so you can see it does a pretty good job with just a very simple query. You see the kind of art that it generates. And again, I'm going to use the same query across multiple websites. Let's go now to a website called Night Cafe. So you can hit this at nightcafe.studio. And I just went here imagining that I didn't know a lot about this. I played with this website early on. So probably 6, 7, or 8 months ago now. So there are different models that you can choose. You can type your text prompt here, which is a steampunk tabby kitten princess, of course, and you have presets here. So I just went with one image so you can kind of see what image it creates for me. So it doesn't look very princessy. It looks more like a prince to me, but it did actually generate the image that I wanted. It does look like a steampunk cat, if you will. So it did fairly well. Let us go to the next website. So that's another Dream Studio. This is deepai.org. So you can, again, I'm focusing on free tools for the most part. So a steampunk tabby kitten princess, I actually tried to get it to generate something decent several times. I picked different styles. Um, I think the panda one I tried the panda one, I tried this one, and I guess I could try that one now. And honestly, I just wasn't getting an image that was anything like I thought it should be. So of the websites, this is absolutely kind of the worst one that I've seen. So deepai.org wasn't working for me. So let us go to openart.ai. So I'm going to say what it came up with now. This is actually very different than a lot of the other websites, right? Yeah. So same query across different ones, and you get very different results. So, okay, this is not my favorite, but it does have kind of, a good level of detail here, and it's done a good job with what it thinks I want. So that's all we can ask for. And let's go to Bing Image Creator because this was really amazing. So this generated 4 images, and I'm going to go through them one by one. So a steampunk tabby kitten princess. Look at the level of detail here. Even got stuff on the toes. It looks very princessy, looks very steampunk, and it certainly is a tabby kitten. So it fulfilled all the requirements to the nth degree here. Look at the background details and even the crown that she's wearing. So again, they really took this. They really took each word here in the query and really took it above and beyond. So these are all outstanding images. So this is Microsoft Bing Image Creator, which does use DALL-E. So, and look at the level of detail in the lace here. Got the toes pretty much. Definitely outstanding. Like these images truly made me smile. Midjourney. So I generated this image well, actually, this was in April, right? You can see April 3rd. So it generated this slot of 4 images for me in Midjourney, and they are just outstanding. In fact, I wonder what it would look like today if I recreated these images. That would be something awesomely cool. So each of these images has its own charm, and I ended up upscaling all of these images. So really a lot of detail. It looks very, very realistic. I could, upscale this image, and I love this one. This really truly captures the steampunk tabby kitten princess there. Um, each of these images was just pretty outstanding in its own right. Right. So I love Midjourney, and Midjourney runs through Discord actually. So you can see here I'm in a Discord channel. And so there's a little bit of more of a learning curve than for the other platforms. And it is also a paid platform. That is something to be aware of. But I love Midjourney, and it creates outstanding images. So let's talk about the last entrance to the race here. And I'm going to. Okay, so Meta just came out with its own AI art image generator, and it is fantastic. So, Steampunk Tabby Kitten Princess generated this really awesome image, and you can see the other ones are just outstanding as well. So, it's given different options here. They just look really they look really amazing as well. So this was free. I just signed up for a Meta account. So go and try these, and I'd love to hear what you create out of your AI art image generators. So again, you can use this for anything, right? For fun, for presentations, for your work. The only thing that most of them do not handle well is text. So I won't cover that in today's session, but in another session, I will cover how to get text on your AI art images. So I hope you had fun learning about AI art generation and seeing a bunch of steampunk tabby kitten princesses. Hope to see you next time. If you want to hear from me to cover any specific topic, please do add it in the comments in my channel or reach out to me directly. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.